Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Olaye, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to make 1 million naira in 7 days using WhatsApp marketing. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step everything I did in order to make this money. I'll also be sharing with you the secret tool that helps me achieve this milestone. So if you're an affiliate marketer, an entrepreneur, or you're a small business owner who want to 10x your income online using WhatsApp marketing, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you everything I did in order to make the money right here you're seeing right here on your screen. I'll also be sharing with you how you could also implement this same strategy for yourself and into your business. But before I literally dive into the video, I would like to show you guys proof, to tell you something I've tried out for myself, because I always love to show my subscribers and my student proof, to tell you something I always try that before I come over to my channel right here to create a video about it. So you can see right here on my screen, this is a balance of 1 million naira right here on my screen, and I was able to withdraw 100,000 naira on my Payster dashboard. So right now I'm going to be reloading the screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshot or some whatever. So I'll be clicking on the reload button right here, and you can see right here the money is done reloading and everything is still intact. So right now I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to make the money you guys are seeing right here on my screen. So the big question that you guys may be asking is, how are you able to generate this milestone? So I'm gonna say I won't be able to generate this milestone without the help of the secret tool I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video. For those of us who literally use WhatsApp for a bit, you guys know sometimes WhatsApp could actually be stressful. Like imagine you having almost 1,000 chats on a daily basis. This means you have a lot of work to do, because you have to sit down and start chatting, and then there's several other things you have to take care of in your business, and that is the reason why you need a WhatsApp assistant. So you guys may be thinking, am I gonna hire someone right now to take over my WhatsApp for me or what? So the answer to that is no, because with the help of this tool called wamation, you'll be able to automate your WhatsApp marketing, start making a lot of sales from your WhatsApp. So for those of you who would not know what wamation is a simple WhatsApp autoresponder tool that literally acts as your WhatsApp assistant on WhatsApp. Now the beautiful thing about this software is because this tool helps you close your leads, helps you convert your leads into paying customer. So what I mean by that is, if I come over to the official website right here, you can see right here, this is how the official website looks like. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description. So once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you straight to the website right here. And you can see you can literally automate your WhatsApp marketing, save more time, make more money every result, and also get better results every day. But before I literally literally walk you through how you could use this app, let me show you what this app got. Let me go over to the features. So you can see right here, you could literally auto save contact, no more manually saving of contacts. So you could literally save your contacts on this website. You could save your customer contacts, your lead contacts on this app right here without manually saving them. So this app is going to be the one taking care of that. And also you also gives you a WhatsApp autoresponder tool, just like your email autoresponder, for those of you who are into like email marketing. So this tool is just like similar to the email marketing software, but this tool is an WhatsApp. So you guys know WhatsApp has a lot of opening rate compared to email, because sometimes you might decide to send email out. Most people don't literally read their email, but on WhatsApp, once you send a WhatsApp to someone, know how the person is going to be opening your WhatsApp. That is what I love about WhatsApp marketing. So you can see right here, these are people's reviews, people who have tested wamation and they have gotten results from it. So you can see right here, this person said she tested wamation for 6 months and it has been amazing. So there's a lot of reviews on this app, and you can see this guy said he was able to convert his leads in less than 24 hours. The person joins his leads thanks to wamation. So you can see there are a lot of reviews on this website, so you can literally go through them. It also give you the opportunity to like to broadcast your message even on save. So you can literally send out message to contacts you haven't saved on your phone. So there are a lot of features. It also gives you the WhatsApp chatbot and all of that. So this tool is gonna be chatting with your customers even when you are sleeping. Wow, this is cool. Even when you are sleeping, you're still gonna be making sales. All you just need right now is to set up everything, and you're gonna start seeing the results. So right now, I'm gonna be moving up to how you could actually create an account on this website. So in order to do that, just click on the menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar, just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, it's gonna take you straight to where you could literally sign up. So you could literally put in your business name, then put in what your business is all about. If you're an affiliate marketing, if you're into affiliate marketing, digital marketing, if you're a course creator, online coaching, or you're into like e-commerce and all of that. So you could just put it in here. So put in your email. You could select your email, confirm your password, then put in your WhatsApp phone number. Then once you're done putting in your WhatsApp phone number, just click on the create account. So once you click on the create account, you'll be able to create account. So right now I'm going to be logging into my account because I already created an account on this website. So once you are done creating an account, this is how your account is going to look like basically. So you're going to see
this is how the interface of the app looks like. So it's gonna see your name, it's gonna say welcome. So you're gonna see the total leads you have generated for today, then your broadcast list and all of that, the chatbot you have, and the forms and all of that. So in order for you to get started right here, just click on this menu bar right here. So the first thing you need to do right now is to link your WhatsApp number to this app. So in order to do that, just go over to the account section. So once you go over to the account section, you'll be able to link your WhatsApp number to the app. So you could literally follow this step because I already linked my WhatsApp. So you could follow this step. It has three steps. So basically, you will need to like scan a QR code. So in order for you to scan this QR code, you need like two phones in order to do that. So if you don't have two phones, you could literally borrow your friend's phone, your dad, your mom's, your wife's phone. Just borrow anybody's phones that you are related. So you could just scan the QR code on WhatsApp. Then once you already scan the QR code on WhatsApp, they're gonna ask you to upgrade your account. So in order for you to start using this app to the fullest, you need to upgrade your account. In order to do that, just click on this buy now. So it's gonna take
This
you
app
to
is
where you
cool.
could
This
literally
app is
upgrade your
just cool.
account. That's to
Super,
the
super,
payment
super cool. I
section. And
guarantee you,
again, guys,
once
there's
you
one
try
thing
out this
I
app,
really,
you
really,
just try out
really
this app for
love
like
about the
7
app.
days
You
or a
could
month.
get a
Like I
money back
said, I was
guarantee
able to
if you
try out this app
tested
for
this
just
app
7 days
and
and I was
tell you
able to make
how
1 million
sure
naira
this app is.
using
And I could
WhatsApp.
guarantee you.
So you could see right here, this is the plan. This is starter plans. And you could actually try out the starter plan for like 1,000 naira, which is $1 in my currency, or you could go with the weekly plans, which is 3,000 naira, 500, which is super, super cheap. So you could test out the weekly plans for just 3,500 naira. Guys, this is cheap compared to what you're gonna be getting on this app. So you could also go with the monthly plan, which is the 10,000 naira per month and all of that, or you could go with the annual plan, which is 90,000 naira. So I would advise you start with the basic plan. I would advise you go with this starter plan because the starter plan is only going to give you 500 contacts, so you'll be able to like save only 500 contacts. So for those of us who has a lot of leads, who are generating Facebook ads, YouTube ads and all of that, I advise you start up with the basic plan because the basic plan is going to allow you to save over like 2,000 contacts or even more. So you could start with the basic plan for just 1,200 per day. You could use this app for just one day, or you could go with the weekly plans, which is just 4,200 naira, or you could go with the the monthly plans. So and also it also has the premium plans, which give you the unlimited. It's going to give you the full access to this too. And this was the plan I was using. I was able to go with the 7,000 naira plans, which is the weekly plans, and I was able to make 1 million naira, to tell you how awesome this tool is. So in order for you to like upgrade, all you need to do right now is to click on the plan you want to upgrade. So it's gonna take you to a place where you could literally make payments for the app. So okay, it said we should input your phone number. That is the phone number you inputted earlier. So once you click on it, it's gonna take you to a place where you could literally pay for the app, then upgrade your account. So once you upgrade your account, this app is going to be functional, and you're gonna be using this app right here to do whatever you want. Don't worry, I'm going to be walking you through how you could literally go about the app. And okay, it's loading up. So while it's loading, I'm going to be walking you through the features, how you could create a landing page, how you could literally go about the app basically. So you could literally pay with your card, your bank transfer, you could pay with USSD. So there are different payment method right here on the app. So once you are done like upgrading your account, the next thing you need to do right now is to go over to the broadcast list. So this broadcast list is where you're gonna be naming your leads. So it's not something to worry about. It's not something to worry about. So just go over to the broadcast list. So it's just a means of like identification to identify your leads. So what I mean by that is, for example, if you are promoting a make money online course, or you're promoting a weight loss supplement, you need to like categorize your leads, that is your customers. You need to like name them. It's not something to worry about. Just name something you could remember. So I named my leads. So once you're done with that, I'm gonna be moving on to the send broadcast. So once you yeah, before you literally proceed to the send broadcast, it's important for you to like create a landing page, because a landing page is where you're gonna be sending the leads to, where they're gonna be filling out their basic information, their WhatsApp number, their email address and all of that. Just click on the form section right here, and you'll be able to create a landing page for yourself. And by the way, it's super cool to create a landing page. Just click on the form section. So you just drag and drop, and you'll be able to create a good landing page for yourself right here, because I already created a landing page for myself. And by the way, if you still want more, like you want to learn more about this app, because there are a lot of features right here on this app that we can't even go through today, because if say we should go through it, it's gonna take like 1 hour of our time to go through it. But you could literally do that by yourself by going to the academic section right here. So once you go over to the academic section, you're gonna see
different videos, explaining to you how you could use this app, step by step. So you're gonna go through their university. That's their university on wamation. So they has an academic section. So if you watch this video right here, this video is gonna enlighten you on how to use wamation. So literally, you could just watch a bunch of videos right here, enlightening you on how you could go about the app. So there are different features on the app. You have the like send broadcast list and all of that, send to broadcast list. So there are different features you could take advantage of using this app. So you could try to set up your chatbot, that is the assistant that's going to be working on your WhatsApp. So this chatbot is just like, for example, maybe if you are away, if you are busy, or if you are sleeping, you could literally set a chatbot, that's going to be, answering to all your customers answer. You could just set it up. So this chatbot is going to be the one answering to all your customers, typing everything to them. This tool just super cool. All you just need right now is to set it up right here and let this tool run in the background on your WhatsApp, and you just go to sleep. So guys, once you are done like getting used to the tool, the next thing you need to do right now is to start sending traffic to your landing page. Once you're done creating your landing page, you're done creating your broadcast list and all of that, you could start sending traffic to your landing page. So for those of us who run Facebook ads, you could start sending traffic leads to your landing page. And once someone opting for your like opt-in form, they're going to be dropping their first name, their last name, their email address, and all of that. So from there, you're going to be following up with your lead. So this tool is going to allow you to follow up with your lead. So guys, you could actually go to the university so to check how you could also use this app to the fullest. So I hope you guys gotten any value from the video. If you know you did, make sure you give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, like the video. Don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. And also you can also check out this video popping right here on your screen to go check out what people are saying about our mission. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.